Chapter 9, Starting AR. After viewing, you will be able to prepare the model and start AR. To prepare the file for Augmented Reality, create a new marker set. Change the status of the marker plate to Show as shown here. Place the flat markers as described in Chapter 8 of this video series and as shown here. Now position the markers with the given coordinates. Select the World Coordinate System and enter the desired coordinates. Repeat for all markers. Once that is complete, hide the original marker set. Activate the marker set using the context menu. Also, hide any unnecessary elements. You're now ready to start AR mode. Click the AR command. Tap the screen to open a context menu. You're now ready for AR inspection. This video described how to prepare the model and start AR. Please join us in more chapters of this video series.